Hey everyone, I'm Salini from Bihar and I help you to speak English fluently with confidence and without any hesitation. So join me and let's learn English together. So today let's start video with a motivational quote. Yeah, because I love quotes. Actually, ever since childhood, I have had a huge interest in quotes. Whenever I came across any quotes anywhere, I felt awesome, and I have the collection of quotes. So yeah, uh, let's start with quote by Rudyard Kipling. Uh, he says, "If English seems a challenge, just remember." Triumph is born of struggle. Listen back, okay? Another quote, John Keats says, "Do not wait for a perfect moment. Speak in English and the moment will be perfect." So, this is quote by John Keats. So, that was just a way to encourage you. If you are scared to speak English, you just have to start. Because until you begin, you can't achieve anything. And nothing happens until you take action, so action is important, so you need to start. Okay, so now motivational quotes are enough, everything enough. Now I have chosen some topics for today. So in this video I want to practice speaking on uh, like uh, social media. Yeah, today the topic I have chosen is social media. So I want to share some of my personal thoughts about social media. Okay, so I just need to frame them in English. So I will express what I genuinely feel about social media and I hope to speak it out here. Okay, so I'm just practicing, so don't be panic. I'm just practicing my English here to improve, so you can also practice. Don't judge me. If somewhere I do any mistakes, let me know in the comments. Okay, because I'm also learning, I'm also beginner, so I'm still in the learning journey. So let's talk about social media. So what is social media? So social media is websites, like apps like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp and YouTube. So here we connect with friends, family and people around the world. Okay, so yeah, most important thing about social media is we can learn English through social media. Yeah, first thing is this, you we can learn on social media. There are lots of amazing English pages, cool reels and videos, right? So like on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, everywhere you will find, you can see English explained in a very easy way using simple words. So yeah, we can learn English from social media. So why social media useful? Because we can talk to friends and family who are far away. We can send messages, pictures and videos even if they are far away. Okay, like second thing is we can learn new things like fun facts, hobbies, school topics, English. This is very useful. Third is we can show our creativity like drawing, writing, singing or sharing ideas. Whatever we are interested, we can share with the world on social media. But yeah, most important thing is we must be smart when using social media. Like we have to stay safe. We don't have to talk to strangers online. We don't have to share our name, address, password with anyone, right? If we see something bad, we just have to tell our parents and teacher. Second thing is we don't have to spend too much time on it because it's very dangerous. We should play outside, we should read books, talk to people in real life, right? So we just have to think before we post anything. So yeah, social media is good but sometimes it's dangerous also, so we should use wisely. And yeah, social media is like a big playground, we can say. Like we enjoy it but we have to stay safe, right? So yeah, social media is good but sometimes it's dangerous, so we have to use it wisely. So um yeah, I think I have uh, speak lot about social media. Don't judge me if I made any mistakes in while speaking, because I am also a learner. I am also in learning journey, on learning journey. So please don't judge me. And if I did any mistakes, so please let me know in the comments. And yeah, so I choose social media for today's video. I hope I spoke good. So yeah, I'm also improving, I'm practicing by this uploading the videos on YouTube. So I hope I did well. So please let me know in the comments what you think about social media. Okay, so that's it for today, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, keep learning, keep speaking, and keep learning. You are going to crack this.